This is the Unreal Magic Workshop, and have we got a cool trick for you. This is one of the tricks that I first started on when I was a young kid magician. Now, I'm a professional magician today, and I do illusions all around the world, and in this workshop I have a magical henchman to give me a hand. So, we need for this trick a magical hanky. Check it out, watch the hanky. Blue and yellow, it's real close. And it turns green to red. Cool, right? And you can switch it back. Boom. Magic. Stick around for the explanation. We'll show you the trick in just a second. Here's the explanation to the magic color changing handkerchiefs. As a young kid, I had one of these. So let me get it out of the drawers. Thank you. Perfect. You need your magic hat. Here you go. Perfect. Stay. You look great. Nice work. You need one of these. These are two handkerchiefs tied together, but the secret is this one isn't a handkerchief, it's a bag. And if I pull this ring down just here, it swaps them over and changes the color. It's that easy. Just make sure that with your hand that's magically passing across the hanky, you hold that ring nice and tight and it magically looks like the colors are changing. You can do that back and forth nice and quick. It looks fantastic.